Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial video, we will be learning how we can edit a message in WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's begin. Firstly, you have to locate WhatsApp in your mobile device and open it. And once you have opened the WhatsApp, click on the chat to whom you want to edit a message. Now simply hold the message which you want to edit. Once you hold the message, you can see three dots which are located on the top right corner of the screen and click on it. As we can see, there has popped an option saying edit, so click on the option saying edit. Now edit the message how you want to edit. Now click on the circular green button with a tick in its middle. As you can see, the message has been edited and it also says edited inside it. So this was it guys. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And thank you for watching.